Today we play ooze baff.
Who did this? I want to know who did this to our tub.
I'm scared. No.
Killian and Elliot, come here.
Come here. Hey, what? Hey, what? You did it. It was you. No.
It's a surprise slime tub.
We will go to find toys, but all found one. This is what I have. Look, this is what I have.
Sit
It's a big
down.
bubble.
What is in the bathtub today?
Get what my house. We got this.
Yeah.
Can I drive this?
Yes.
And me too. So I can see what's in it. This is mine. Me too. Can I also
So far, what have you found in that yucky slime? What happened to the tub? How did it get like that? Just drop it out, Phoebes.
I found two. Let's check out what's inside this egg. Putty. I found three. I got a putty egg. I got that one. I get three.
A putty egg. Cool.
No, I already cooked putty.
So there was putty hidden in there.
Putty for me? I got three things. Hey, where's mine?
Where's your what?
My thing. Pecky peckies.
Ooh.
Phoebe.
It's a mouse.
A little mouse. Yes. No. That's for me. I put it in a new pile. We have all of our things. Now let's.
So we have a squishy squeeze ball. Ew. Ew. Look at how slimy it is.
That break in the corner. I got a blue one.
I remember. Do you like how it feels, Phoebe? What did you get?
Bubble gets stuck.
Phoebe got a push pop, a mystery surprise sour,
I poop out.
and a troll travel pack, and a little cute Hello Kitty beanie type thing.
That's mine.
Hey, not in the slime bath. We will not open that. Here you go.
And I got
Show us what you got, Killian.
mystery pop, a little mouse, and Huddy. I got
Nice.
a mystery too. I have to wash my hands.
Show us how slimy it is.
It's so slimy it can slip out of my hands. Look, that's slimy I am. It eats for what type of I am. Look how slimy I am. It drags it through my hand.
Phoebe, keep it in the tub.
And it's even hard to move your hair.
Elliot, honey, sit down. That's one of the directions
I
that it
know.
says right on the box. It says it right on there.
Whoa, I found some real life stipple slime.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's slipping.
There.
So slippy. What is this? No, I found.
I think this little boy's face is pretty accurate to the texture of this stuff.
I found it. Look at this. Look at this.
I see.
Oh.
Warning. Do not stand up if you use ooze bath in a pool or bathtub to avoid slipping. Rinse off feet thoroughly before stepping out of the pool or bath. So it says it right here, Elliot. You need to sit to be safe.
I won't get out and play with my stuff. Thank you. Ga mama, ga ga ga. If you hold them too long, they will pop.
Phoebe and Elliot.
Bet it.
What do you think it smells like?
It smells like pigs.
Pigs.
Medic.
Phoebe and Elliot are going to open up their push pops to see what flavor they are. What flavor do you think they're going to get?
I got green lemon.
Green lemon. Have you tried it yet?
No.
What did you get, Phoebes? Oh, is there a slime all in it? Good thing it's wrapped up. Slimy on the inside. Here, let me watch. So you're tasting the lollipops, the push pops. What flavor did you get?
Green lemon.
Green lemon?
Green lemon.
You got green lemon too? What was your first reaction when you took a lick?
I did it. It was so sour, so I dropped it.
How about you? A troll color book? That's really neat. Phoebe, do you like to color?
And my teddy bear.
Yeah. You know what they reminded me of, guys, when Phoebe picked those? It reminded me of Morgan from the Magic Treehouse books.
Really?
Yeah, because the little mice.
Oh yeah.
And Morgan's a mouse.
Oh yeah, where's mine?
I don't know. Maybe she went back to Camelot.
No.
Take it out and show us. What's in your pack? Ooh, color book. Phoebe loves to color. And stickers. Anything else? Oh, crayons. Very cool. Here you go. Poop head. That was not the name of your hamster when we had a hamster. That is correct, sir. You, when you were about Phoebe's age, you were obsessed with saying Booby. And that's what you named your hamster.
Look, I named him Booby. Naming him Booby.
I like his hair.
Booby, no, Booby. Hi, Booby.
How you doing in there, Killian? The self-proclaimed king of the slime.
King of the slime. King of the slime. Stay safe for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.